Welcome back to my channel, Rejoice Health Living. Today we're going to make a pumpkin. It's going to be a very easy recipe because we are going to have only 3 ingredients: pumpkin, butter, and salt. And then we'll have 2 different ways of preparing it. I hope you'll enjoy it. Let's start together. Remember, I told you that we will have 2 ways of making this pumpkin. Now I'm going to cut and remove the seeds. And now I'm going to put them in my pot, the one we will use to boil it. I'll just make sure that I will add water, which will make sure that it covers all the pumpkins. We are going to add some little salt, make it taste, and then I'm going to put my temperature in my stove in a medium temperature for about 10 minutes, then 10 to 15 minutes, then I'll come to check if it's ready. Now our first type of cooking is done. As you can see, the good way to test if your pumpkin is okay, you can just try to use your spoon like this, and you will see it more softy. And it should not be overcooked because you need to retain the nutrients, but you need to retain this texture of it. So we are done. Now I'm going to save. Thank you for being with me up to this point. We are done with our first way of cooking this pumpkin, and this is the boiling method. You can have it during your breakfast or any other time that you like to have this thing. As I told you that we have 2 ways of preparing this pumpkin. So we are done with the first one, which was just to boil it with salt. And now this is the second way you can prepare your pumpkin, and it can turn up also very nice. This type of second method, we call it mashed pumpkin. So we are going to mash it with butter, and I just want to tell you it's going to turn out very nice, very nice. I hope you will enjoy this second method of making your pumpkin. Now I will add 2 spoons of butter, then I will mash it together. After mashing it, we will put it in a microwave for about 3 to 5 minutes so that it will retain its temperature before serving it to your guests. You can even use food processor to do this in a way that will be easier for you. But in case you don't have any of those equipment, you can still use your spoon and come up with the right one. You need to make sure that your pumpkin has no any kind of water so that it will turn smooth and soft but not soggy. This one is also a very nice food for elders and for kids. Kids also will really enjoy this kind of dish. It's very healthy for kids, elders, and anyone who wants to enjoy this. Now I'm going to put my mashed pumpkin in the microwave, and I'm just going to set only 5 minutes and it will be ready. Our meal is ready and we can just take it off and enjoy it. Thank you for being with me up to this time, and we have come up with our second method of making pumpkin. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please comment and share with me what do you think about this meal.